Notching in random allows us to set a maximum limit to an individual channel or a frequency range of that channel. To begin, I'm going to run my random test. The advantage of this is if I don't know what my response is, I can run my test and see that on the graph and then create a notch from there. However, this does mean that the test will be running at this level until I apply a notch. On my graph, I can see that channel 2 has a peak from about 350 hertz to about 640 hertz. If I want to add a notch, just need to edit my test, navigate to the Channel Notch tab, and here I can see where I can set my maximum limits for each individual channel. I can notch add a value relative to the demand, or I can notch add a table. When I select the table option, I can copy a table from the demand, or I can copy from the live channel values on the input. If I select this option, I can then define which range of values to set my notch. Now here, I want to set around 330 hertz. So I would scroll to 330 or near to it. 324, and I can select the first button to delete all the breakpoints before, and do similar action on the higher end, so around 650 hertz, and select last. For this example, I'm going to notch at 12 decibels. In VibrationVIEW 2025, I can also add a channel abort simultaneously to that channel. So potentially I'd want to abort at a level of 15 decibels as a fail-safe option. Now right now, my test is averaging at about 120 degrees of freedom. If I reset my averaging, we'll more quickly be able to see my test notching at that value, and then my abort at 15.